Well, I've ordered a new toolbox and I've been buying a few accessories to get ready for when it arrives so I can stick all my tools in there. And this is something I picked up. It's called the Plier Pro from Ernst. This is a company that's in the US, and the tool accessories here are made in the USA with a lifetime guarantee, which is a lot to say for a tool that's made out of plastic here. So this is all plastic, but it's really got a lot of strength to it. So they almost feel like made out of aluminum. But they are, I'm pretty sure it's plastic, but very, very stiff the way they're mounted in this base. And the base is rubberized here, and it has a curve inside the base so that you can lay pliers in here and stand them on end. And that makes a lot more space in your tool tray. The bottom has rubber on 3 sections here, so it'll stick down to whatever surface that it's on. And if that wasn't good enough for you, you could actually put some double-sided magnetic tape on here. You can get it at a craft store. It's basically a slice of magnet with some glue on one side, and then stick some feet on here and stick it on there in your toolbox. And if you're like me, you got just a ton of different pliers, all shapes and sizes. There's no good way to organize them. This can really help. I'll show you how it works. Simple as that. So I've got some tiny ones on the end here that I even doubled up, but I'm going to need to buy more of these, and I want to, they're 10 inches across, so I'm going to put 3 across the width of the larger drawers in my toolbox. So I've got room for a couple others in here. I'll throw a couple more. Put one of these. About one of these. So even your very larger things, like this is a rivet punch here that works like that. It's a really big handles, really thick handles on it. They all fit in there quite nice. It's got enough space in here and a little bit of give if it needs to fit all kinds of different pliers. But you can see that you can stand those all up, put them in that 4-inch drawer, and then you've got plenty of room to put a ton of different pliers in here. So imagine these all laying out flat. It would take up this whole space, and now I've got them all just sitting there all lined up. So really cool tool. Takes the long ones and even the very tiny ones, and the ones where the handles are really widely spread apart like this. It's going to flop over. Well, it'll just lean on the ones next to it. Still keeps it straight and organized. So I'm really impressed. I like this fact that it's made in the USA. There are all kinds of knockoffs at Harbor Freight and different places of these, but they don't give me the good feeling that this one does, because it's just well made, well designed, good materials, last a long time. Hope that helps. Have a great day.